for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, just the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold, and then what happened after?
I was sickened. I was sickened by the standing ovation.
At all. You piece of shit. Oh, you.
No!
Video protected. 911.
Me, really? Me, really?
My goodness.
Is it your fault or his?
You didn't think, no, that I consider that lucky. Look. Oh! Yo! Yo! What the? Hulk. Hey. Yeah. You know what? I like the place. Play on, play that. Play on, play that. Young Dre drop the
my god, dude. What the f, man?
Hazard reported ahead. Strange activity. Control your face.
Walker, all I can think of is Chuck Norris. I'm not sure why, but we'll get it right here. But Walker, they're dedicating Walker today. And so today is a
If there's not a corpse, there's no dead person. Mi Patoyo says. His brother Victor lived in Pecos, Texas, where he worked in construction during the day, and his rideshare driver.
What the actual f?
Mi Patoyo says his brother had no criminal record and wasn't in arrested.
Buckling, but it was way inside. 2-1.
Oh, what the hell?
You don't want to see a walk here.
What a
One-way road, buddy.
what?
Down to upon his door, and I said, Daddy, I'm so afraid. Oh shit!
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover